back now. Happy Mother's Day. It's a beautiful Sunday, and I'm heading out. I'm going to Walmart, just going to look for some kitchen decor, and maybe I might stop by at Winners and some other stores. We'll see. So yeah, let's go and see what they have.
So I started off at this section right here because I want to get new kitchen towels, but nothing really caught my attention here. And I moved on to the rags because I also want to get some new kitchen rags for under the sink, on the stove, and the entrance door. So they have some good rags here, like this one. I really like this one, but I think it was too big. I think, yeah, something like that. And this is actually so good. I ended up getting that one. And yeah, so I just looked around and just seeing what they have, because I never really visit Walmart for stuff like this. Yeah. I also really liked these blue rags right here. They're very pretty, but I'm leaning towards gray. Blue is not really the color that I'm going for, but yeah, I really like them. Okay, so I'm not planning on getting any big area rug, but this one just caught my eye, so I had to take a close look. Ladies, I'm sure you can relate. So moving on to baskets area. I just love baskets, even if I'm not planning, I don't want to buy them, but I just had to look, for inspiration and stuff like that. So I'm looking into getting a wallpaper for my kitchen and use it as a backsplash, but I'm having a really hard time choosing the right one, because once you put it on the wall and it doesn't look good, I don't think I'll have the option of returning it. So I just want to be so sure with that purchase. Yeah, they have some good wallpapers here, but I just haven't found the one. And these are kind of cute, but I'm not sure if I want to go for the silver one or the gold one. Yeah, and the one I'm holding here is the silver one, but I'm leaning towards gold, but maybe it's gonna be too much. Please be kind enough and give me your suggestions down in the comments below and tell me what you think. Should I go with the silver or the gold one? Thank you.
Hey guys, so I'm back home now. I had a very great day, but as far as home decor is concerned, I did not get a lot. Seriously, I only got one accent rug, and I show it to you in a bit. But yeah, first let's clean up this space. It's so dirty. I mean, let's just see it for yourself. So this is what I got. I'm planning to put this on the entrance door. It's a good size. I love the colors of it. I love the patterns, the colors. Yeah, it's a good size for the entrance door. Okay, now let me show you how bad this place looks. Okay, this is my son's mess over here. We just had dinner, so everything is everywhere. So yeah, let me hit you with a time lapse as I clean this space.
Guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. That really helps my channel and I would love you for that. Thank you so much. So this is how the new rug looks like. I really like it. Tell me what you guys think. Comment down below and tell me what your thoughts on it. Do you feel like it should have been bigger ili iweze kufit on both ends? Let me know. And I also want to change these two mats right here. I'm not sure which pattern I want to go for. Probably plain gray. I'm not sure really. I don't know yet. But I want to change those, and I also want to take out this trash and put it in the laundry room so that it's out of sight. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Watch our minds change. Isn't your face one I used to know? Dancing with my eyes closed, lonely on the way home. Maybe I just miss the